What's going on YouTube? How's it going everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How are you guys? If you don't know me, my name is Trigga. As always guys, my social media is linked down below. This is my car, my Nissan 370z if you're new to the channel. But let's get to the install today. We're doing something cosmetic, no performance, something very cheap actually. Any Z owners out there, or technically any car, this is a universal part. You guys can use this, but let's show you. What you guys see here today are some carbon fiber look-alike side things. They're not real carbon fiber, they're plastic, but it's cool because I think these are actually gonna get destroyed super fast. This is how low my car is gonna be. But if you guys don't know what this is like a side skirt extension sort of thing, like fins. I really like this design. This is what actually sold me on it, was this little curve right here. I thought it looked cool, so I bought it. I think these were like 23 bucks, 24 bucks or something. And I thought about adding it over here to my bumper like this, to my side skirt. That would look dope. Not really sure if it is gonna look dope, but this is just a Trigga mod. I don't know, maybe you guys like it. If you like it, I'll link it in the description. Well, this amazing carbon fiber product came with some whack hardware, and it also came with some 3M. I'm not sure if it's 3M. It's 3M side, like sort of tape, double-sided. We're gonna probably be putting them all along here. We're gonna measure out the side skirt. We're gonna install them. This is gonna be a relatively very easy install, guys. Anybody can do this at your house. All you really need is a jack, some jack stands, and a basic household drill. All right, grab our drill. Grab the measuring tape. Some water. Move this wheel out of the way. Such a beautiful wheel. All right, so now that it's on my head, let's see how this GoPro angle looks. So we have our side skirt extension looking thing, measuring tape. So what we're gonna do first is measure from the tip to the end. Looks like is just roughly about 2 feet and 7.5 inches. So when we come here, we're gonna want to make sure that we measure this. So it looks like right there. So stupid. Trigga, you're so stupid. Alright guys, so what I did was I used regular 3M scotch tape, and the width of this was the desired amount that I actually wanted. I used it to cover it all the way through, and I cut it, so now I know these are the areas that I'm going to be using this double-sided tape as well as this hardware. Next, we're going to drill out the holes for the hardware. All you're going to need is just some regular drill bits, whatever desired hardware size you're going to use, but you're going to take your drill bit and you're going to make small little holes continuously, however many you want, and then we're going to use those holes to be able to drill the hardware into our bumper. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You know, it's just a small mod, small classic Trigga mod. I wanted to do it just because I like it, so you guys' choice. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you guys enjoyed it, see y'all next week.